Good morning, good evening, and good unspecified hour of the day to you and your kin. My name is Dr. Professor Modisch, and welcome to World Civilizations 3201. Now, this semester, we will focus our attention on the year of our Lord 1500 to around 1950. But if I've learned anything in my 35 years of teaching this course, every time I've taught this course, we have failed to get past the Industrial Revolution around 1870. Now, let's begin. Starting with the Holy Roman Empire. Scratch that. No. We'll get to that in a couple months. Let's start with the Reformation. Oh my. It appears you all have taken a bit of an early nap time. My God, is it only 8:03 a.m.? Right. You know, I know just the thing to wake you all up and get you learning a little bit about history while we're at it.
Hey, where's Professor what's his name?
He probably left out of embarrassment. That old fart.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror.
What's poppin', my skittle dizzle rizzle tootin' toutin' pals? It is I, your favorite professor at Montreat College, Watermelon Rand. Alright, enough.